So I'm Louis de Vicari, the chef from Contraste, 1-star Michelin in Paris, and today we will make some stuffed morels and with some cream garlic and mushroom juice, all vegetarian. So at first, this is the morels, French morels, French white morel. At first, we will make the juice, the mushroom juice. So I will add a little bit of oil. Here are the mushrooms. With some garlic, some shallots. And a little bit of salt. So we'll cook this until it's brown, and after that I will put some Porto to deglaze, and I will add some vegetable consommé. The second step is the garlic cream, just basic garlic and cream, infused. I don't want the garlic to be brown, just slowly cooked. Now we will add the Porto. When the Porto is already used, then I add the vegetable consommé. To have this brown color, you need to burn a little bit some onion. You cut the onion in half, you put it directly like that to be burnt, and then you put it in the consommé, and this is that make the color. So now you reduce the juice like that. Not full ebullition, just like this. So when the garlic is like that, you put the cream. And that's just infused. That is for the morels, to stuff the morels, some shallots, and mushroom from Paris mushroom. Some salt too. And here. So now you cook it until all the water in the mushroom goes. Okay. So you let cook it for like 30 or 40 minutes, and after that take out the mushrooms and make reduce until you have this kind of texture, like how do you say in English, gravy?
Yeah, gravy.
Okay, so this is the preparation to stuff the morels. You let cool it down for like a little bit, and after I will add some egg yolk, in this, and that will act like concrete. It's to make the stuff more solid. This is the leaves of the wild garlic, and with that I will make some oil. That's really easy. You just need to put the garlic, the oil, and mix it for like 7 or 8 minutes, and you will see the oil will be hot, or like 60 degrees, and that will fix the green color in the oil. Okay. And that's the final result. Okay. This is the same thing. Just need to put in there, and after stuff the morel like that. At first you just put oil, when you cook something in the pan, it's better to put butter and oil, the both, because the oil will make that the butter don't burn. If there is only butter, at some point it will burn. So after, when it's infused with the garlic, you just need to put the garlic out, reduce a little bit the cream, and after you have that. It's 100% cream, just infused with the garlic. So now we have all the ingredients: the mushroom juice, the garlic cream, the stuffed morel, and the wild garlic oil. Now we take the mushroom juice, put a little bit . So this is wild garlic fruits, just in vinegar. We put some a little bit. And this is some wild garlic flowers.
Tu mets ta fourchette.
C'est ça?
Ouais, c'est un peu sec.
Ah ouais.
Ouais.
Je taille un petit peu.
Comment tu peux?
J'en taille un petit peu, c'est super.
Yeah. It's the end of the way.
Very nice. Okay, now you're French.
Yeah, you're French.
Now you
Very
just
well.
need to protest on the street and it's okay.